us. They have the foundation to do something really spectacular. And again, we put it in a position like it's never been before, despite the worst plague to hit since, I guess you'd say 1917, over 100 years ago. And despite that, the things that we've done have been just incredible, and I couldn't have done it without you. So just vibe. We love you. We will be back in some form. And again, Pence and Karen, I want to thank our Vice President, Mike Pence, and Karen. I want to thank Congress because we really worked well, but we really did. We've gotten so much done that nobody thought would be, but we really did. We've gotten so much done that nobody thought would be. In D.C., all of the people that, we want to thank all of the great people of Washington, D.C., all of the people that we worked with to put this, we will see you soon. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. We will see you soon. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
What a way to finish a speech for the President of the United States. He's
West Hazelton fire in the Massachusetts. 16 Deer Run Road, West Hazelton. 70-year-old male unresponsive, unknown of breathing. 8:45.